because you're just not getting that from an engineering role, right? And engineering roles tend to be a little bit more programming based than some of the other roles, right? Not necessarily modeling based or like model tuning or things along those lines, right? Those are the things that you're kind of missing. But again, it sounds like you're on the right track, so I wish you luck with that. Okay, so Talhar writes, Dennis, I want to remind you about my question on can I get into data science without a degree? I think you can, but it's a little bit harder. It's a little bit harder because for a lot of companies out there, the baseline level, like the price of admission for most applications is going to be a degree of some kind. Now, that wouldn't stop you from doing things on your own, right? That wouldn't stop you from doing your own projects, maybe even your own freelance projects, right? So where I think that you could help yourself, Talhar, is by developing your own portfolio. And more specifically, try to develop a portfolio that's a little bit more contemporary, tackling contemporary topics that are, maybe in the news or whatnot. And again, I invite you to come to the Wednesday class.